In this movie, I will show you how easy it is to price up your external wall rendering jobs using our Render External Wall module. To begin, I need to enter how many square metres of external wall I will be rendering. This is 24. If I look, I can see that 18 hours have been allowed for the labour. This is highlighted in yellow as it may require your judgment. I'll leave it as it is, but you can change it if you want. My bonding to seal the walls beforehand is worked out too. If I click on the question mark, I can see that 1 litre will cover 5 metres square. This is right for me, but you can change it if you want. On the pricing sheet I can see that I'll need 2 litres and that it'll take just over 2.5 hours to put this on. I'll just click on the question mark for the corner beads. I do need to tell the module how many of these I'll need, for windows, corners on walls, doorways and so on, as it's impossible for the programme to know. I am going to need 6 lengths, so I enter this here. Again, I do need to let the module know how many stop beads, if any, that I will need. I'm going to need 6 lengths, and I enter that here. As it's not possible for the module to know, I need to tell it how many bell drip beads I will be using. If I click on the question mark, I can put this information directly into the picture. So the total width of my opening is 7 linear metres. I can also enter the length of bell drip around the walls. This is 12 linear metres. I also have the option for waterproof additive. I am using this. I'll be using 1 5-litre tub. So I enter 1 here and the costs are worked out. My mixer is allowed and I'll need it for 2 days. My sand is calculated too. I'll need 22 25kg bags. I will just select a 1-ton bag of plastering sand. I can instantly see that this will be more economical, so I will use this. My cement is shown here. I'll need 6 bags. If I click on the question mark, I have the option to change the mix ratio. I do want a weaker mix, so I will adjust this to 6:1. Automatically, the amount of cement I need has altered. Finally, the calculations for my stone finish are here. The default material is pea shingle 12mm stone, that you can change using the drop-down list here if you wish. I'll need 6 25kg bags. I'm not going to be doing a stone finish, so I just untick the box here and all of the costs are removed. The totals for my plant, materials, hours, labour and total cost are shown here along the bottom. The render for my external walls is all priced, just by entering one number in the red cell at the top of the screen, and by letting the programme know my bead and waterproofer requirements. I was able to quickly price and fine-tune the calculations to meet the exact needs of the job.